Hello everybody, this is our video number 4 on the same topic, the crop production. And today, in this video, we will discuss another subtopic of the crop production chapter, that is the crop session. So, as for the crop session, we can categorize the crop in 3 parts. The first one, the kharif crop. Second one is the rabi crop, and the third one is the summer crop. So, what is the kharif crop? The crops such as the rice, sugarcane, maize, cotton, groundnut, etc. are sown at the beginning of the southwest monsoon, and that is during the month of the June and the July. Since these crops require more water and they are harvested in the month of the September and the October, and they are called the kharif crop, and this kharif means autumn. Okay, so this example for this kharif crop is rice, sugarcane, cotton, groundnut, etc. and the shown at the beginning of the southwest monsoon, and that is during the month of June and July. So the starting from the June or July, this is the starting period, and they are the harvested in the month of September and the October. September to October and October. September and October. And the crops like wheat, barley, potato, mustard, sesame, etc., which are sown in October and harvested in March. So, this is October and harvested in March. So, example for the these are the wheat, barley, potato, mustard, sesame, etc. Okay, and they are called the rabi crops since they are harvested in the spring, and the rabi means the spring. So, remember all those examples for the kharif crop and as well as the rabi crop. And also in your exam, this type of question comes from this portion, that is, what is the difference between the kharif crop and the rabi crop, and this time mention the example and also the time of sowing during the time of sowing seeds and also harvested time. So as for the kharif crop, the sowing the seeds is June and July, harvested September and October, but the rabi crop, it is start from the October and harvested in March. Okay, and there is the third variety of the crop that is called the summer crop. So these two are the main, but another category of this crop with respect to the crop session is called the summer crop. And this summer crop, these include the rice, wheat, pulses, potato, groundnut, etc. and they are grown in place where the water supply is adequate and the soil fertility is good. So this is the example for the summer crop, and that is the ideal conditions to grow these type of crop. Okay, so the first, there are the grown in place where the water supply is adequate and soil fertility is good. The season for this crop extends from March to June. So the time for this type of the March to June. Okay. So these three are the type of the crop with respect to the season, and this part is very important as per your exam point of view. So that's all for the today's lecture. Thank you everybody.